Ayan, proceed tayo sa sample problem number 2, which is, sample problem number 2 is from CE Board, November 2015. So, let's read. The absolute pressure in a gas tank is 2.85 atmospheres. So, obtain the pressure head in meters of water for each gauge pressure. So, pinapahanap sa atin yung pressure head in meters of water. So, given tayo ng absolute pressure which is 2.85 atmospheres. So, ang pinapahanap sa atin is a pressure head. So, kung naalala nyo kanina, di ba, ang P absolute natin ay equivalent siya sa 101.325 kPa, and then equivalent siya sa 1 atmospheres. So, yan. So, from the, P absolute, yung formula natin, P absolute is equal to P gauge plus the P atmosphere. Ayan. So, ito, pwede natin siyang gawing yung P absolute natin. So, yung P absolute natin, pwede natin siyang gawing kilopascal. So, 2.85 atmosphere. So, 101.325 kPa ay equivalent lang siya sa 1 atm. So, cancel. So, yung P absolute natin or the absolute pressure natin would be 2.85 times 101.325. So, magiging sagot natin dyan is 288.76. So, let's use na lang 3 decimal kPa. Ayan. So, makuha natin is yan, salpak natin. So, 200 dito para makuha natin yung P gauge natin. So, P gauge is equal yung P absolute natin. So, 28.776 kPa minus yung atmospheric pressure natin, which is constant na 101.325 kPa. And then, makukuha na natin yung P gauge natin, which is 187.451 kPa. So, ayan. So, makuha na natin yung pressure head from the formula na P pressure times the gamma H, so gamma ng water, and then pressure head ng water. So, 100, ayan, kukunin natin to. 187, yan, 0.451 is equal to itong unit weight ng water na 9.81 times the unit pressure head ng water. So, pressure head ng water, so 1.451, diba, kilonewton per meter squared, and then divided by 9.81 kilonewton cubic meter. So, maka-cancel yan. So, may matitira na meter. So, yung pressure head ng water natin, it would be 87.451 divided by 9.81. So, it's 19.108 meter. So, that would be our answer for the pressure head